Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do DIY lattes with ube coconut cold foam. Get some ice into a glass. Prep your matcha. Pour it into the glass. Then do another half of your choice of milk. Stir it. Then pour a little bit of ube coconut mix I made. Details later in this video. Then I like to add heavy whipping cream and do 1 part of each. And blend. And pour it onto your drink. And enjoy. If you've been wanting to save some money or you're craving the ube coconut cold foam, this is the way to go. And it is so good. Get some ice into a glass. Pour your chai tea concentrate of choice. Then your milk of choice. And I like to do 1 part each. Stir it. Then pour a little bit of ube coconut mix I made, which off camera I did a can of ube condensed creamer mixed with a can of coconut cream. Then I like to add heavy whipping cream and do 1 part of each. And blend. And pour it onto your drink. And enjoy. This was my first time trying ube with chai tea lattes, and I was actually not terribly surprised simply because chai tea has a unique flavor, but ube is very sweet and doesn't really have any strange flavor to pair with it, so I think it worked really, really well. And if you like chai, I highly recommend giving this a try. Did you know that I am currently selling personally designed t-shirts based off of my recently released book, The Cancer Dragon? Here I'm unboxing some orders from coworkers who I'm very grateful to for supporting my mission. If you were to ask me honestly, the idea for this logo came from my DIY Cancer Dragon wreath. My husband bought me a shirt once that said, "I kicked cancer's ass," but because of where I work, HR would have had a hissy fit over that, so I decided to design my own. To me, there's something to be proud of in becoming a Cancer Dragon Slayer, and I really hope my journey inspires you. I never planned on designing shirts for this, but as I kept creating and finding ways to express my life story, it just happened. I thought to myself, who else might love a shirt like this? On the back, the sayings are made for slayers, warriors, supporters, and even for honoring lost warriors. These shirts were created with all of you in mind, and I was so happy with the design that I wanted to make it available for anyone who feels connected to this journey. The basic gist of it is, I became diagnosed with stage 3 cancer, got pregnant during fertility treatments, refused to abort, despite my doctor's warnings that I'd die at birthing my child. For book updates or to support me, scan the code or click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.